The U.S. Army's latest setback in deploying its first hypersonic missile, part of a $10.4 billion initiative, highlights ongoing challenges in this critical defense project. Despite the unit being trained and ready, the missile itself remains unavailable, further delaying the Pentagon's top priority. This delay not only impacts the U.S. military's strategic capabilities, but also affects the defense contractors involved in the program, potentially influencing their market performance. Meanwhile, Russia's plans to target Ukraine's nuclear power infrastructure signify a significant escalation in efforts to destabilize the country's energy grid. This move underscores the ongoing geopolitical tensions in Eastern Europe, with potential implications for regional security and energy markets. As Russia continues its aggressive stance, the defense sector remains on high alert, with companies involved in Eastern European operations closely monitoring the situation. In Asia, China's first drone flight into Taiwan's airspace marks a notable increase in Beijing's aerial capabilities and intensifies regional tensions. This development highlights the strategic importance of drone technology in modern warfare and could lead to increased demand for drone-related defense systems. As China's military capabilities expand, neighboring countries and defense contractors are likely to adjust their strategies accordingly. Additionally, joint naval drills involving China, Russia, Iran, and South Africa suggest a potential shift in BRICS military cooperation. Although largely symbolic, these exercises indicate a growing interest in military collaboration among these nations. The drills, closely monitored by the U.S., reflect the changing dynamics in global military alliances and could influence future defense strategies and investments. Thousands of Chinese fishing boats forming sea barriers present another strategic maneuver, potentially disrupting U.S. naval operations. This tactic highlights China's ability to leverage civilian maritime assets for military purposes, complicating naval logistics and strategy in the region. Such maneuvers could lead to increased tensions and necessitate adjustments in naval operations and defense planning. On the space front, NASA's Space Launch System and Orion spacecraft have been positioned for the Artemis II mission. While the launch date remains uncertain, this development marks a significant step in NASA's efforts to advance human space exploration. The progress of the Artemis program is closely watched by the aerospace sector, with potential implications for future space missions and related investments. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its shares decline by 3.45% to $170.96. The company's involvement in the U.S. hypersonic missile program means that delays in deployment could impact its revenue streams and investor confidence. As a key player in defense analytics, Palantir's performance is closely tied to the success of such high-profile military projects. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 3.77% increase in its stock price to $392.86, driven by heightened demand for drone technology following China's drone incursion into Taiwan's airspace. As a leader in unmanned aerial systems, AeroVironment stands to benefit from increased interest in drone capabilities, positioning it well for future growth in the defense sector. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, saw its shares rise by 4.95% to $130.72. The company's exposure to drone technology positions it advantageously amid growing regional tensions and the strategic importance of drones in modern military operations. Kratos' focus on innovative defense solutions could lead to further market gains as demand for advanced military technology increases. Rheinmetall AG, ticker symbol RHMDE, experienced a slight decline of 0.60% to $1,902, reflecting the impact of Eastern European tensions on its operations. As a major defense contractor with interests in the region, Rheinmetall is sensitive to geopolitical developments, and ongoing instability could affect its market performance and strategic decisions. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, saw a modest increase of 0.79% to $582.43, despite the U.S. hypersonic missile delays. As a leading defense contractor, Lockheed Martin's diverse portfolio and strong positioning in the defense sector help mitigate the impact of specific project delays. The company's resilience highlights its ability to navigate complex defense environments and maintain investor confidence. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Drone technology demand rises amid China's regional maneuvers. 2. Hypersonic missile delays impact U.S. defense contractors. 3. Monitor BRICS military cooperation for strategic shifts.